Need to upload large files to Google Drive. Whether you're backing up videos, sharing project files, or storing large documents, Google Drive can handle large uploads as long as you have enough available storage. In this guide, I'll show you how to upload large files to Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive and check your available storage. Large files require enough free space in your Google account before the upload can be completed. If your storage is nearly full, you'll need to free up space or upgrade your storage plan. Next, click the New button and choose File Upload. If you're uploading multiple large files stored inside a folder, you can choose Folder Upload instead. Both methods work well depending on what you're uploading. Browse to the location of your file, select it, and click Open. Once you do that, Google Drive will immediately begin uploading the file. Larger files may take longer depending on your internet speed and the file size. While the upload is in progress, keep your browser open and maintain a stable internet connection. Avoid closing the browser or shutting down your computer until the upload finishes. Interrupting the upload may require you to start the process again. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in Google Drive to confirm it was uploaded successfully. If needed, you can move it into a folder, rename it, or share it with other people. And that's how to upload large files to Google Drive. With enough available storage and a stable internet connection, you can safely upload and access large files from your Windows PC, Mac, Android device, iPhone, or the web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.